Okay, in order to create your first site or your first blog, log into wix.com with your Google ID. Once you have logged in, this is the first layout when you log in for the first time, so you can create your new site here or here. But once you have a site, you may not look at this layout again. So I rather show you how to create a new site from the menu here. So click on the create new site. Always pick a template. Okay, I like to use a template which I'm familiar with, so I pick this marketing block and click on edit. So I wait for the website editor. Remember that we have a website as well as a post in it. So you have a website editor and you also have your post editor. So this that you can see is your website editor. So in order to create a post, the first post, click on my blog, and you can see create a post option over here. Click on create a blog, wait for the blog post editor. Okay, so there are these two different things here. So once you have the blog post editor, you may want to write your first post. Okay, so in this video I show you to write. After you write, you can add images, video, and embed some other material that you want to put. You can upload a file, so on and so forth. Okay, once your blog post is ready, all you have to do is click on this publish button up here. Remember that the website that we have just created is not published yet, so the Wix service will tell you that you have to publish the site first. So click on publish the site. You will be taken back to the website editor. Once you are in the website editor, you can just click on the publish button up here. Wait for your site to be published. Here is the site address given. You may want to right click and copy, and you can view your site right after you publish it. So this is your site, your address up here, which can be viewed by anyone else as long as they have the site address. And here is your first article that you have written as your first blog post.